Guys, I'm going to discuss these questions. Okay, let's see how the currents flow. Let's start from 94. Okay, there is no division in here, so all currents flow in 2 ohm and flow in 8 ohm, and after that flow in 1 ohm. But start at C, it split become 3. Okay, after that it join into 1 in here again and split. Okay, and after that it join into 1. If you confuse, I join here 1, and after that split again become 2. After that it join become 1 current. Okay, so how to find it? So from this section until this section, they are in series. So just add it. 2 plus 1 plus 8. But in here, C and D, it's parallel. So how to do it? If parallel, then I prefer to use R parallel is R per N because it's identical, right? So 9 over 3, 3 ohm. Okay, and then this 2 is 3 and 3, so 6 ohm. Okay, if this one how? Yeah, you can use this. I prefer to use this way. 40 times 10 over 50. So 400 over 50, then 8. If here to here, same. Okay, RP is 3 times 6 over 9. So 2. After that, find the R total by add it. Okay, this all is 11. So 11 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2. So plus 6 here. There are 6 in here. So we got 14, 24, and 30. How to find the I? The I is V over RT. Okay? So V over IT, then we get 90 over 30. So the answer is 3 ampere. Okay, the next, calculate the potential difference in junction CD. So this one, right? The phi. How to count it? Then easy. Phi CD will be the same with I at CD times R at CD, right? The I at CD is the same with the total current in here. Okay, so 3 ampere times by the R at CD is the R parallel, 3. So I got 94. The next one is calculate the current flow in 40 ohm resistance. So this one, right? The I in here. How? So what should you do is you have to find the voltage, or you can use ratio, yeah. May, yeah. So I use ratio. I try, yeah. This is I in FG with I in I can give a name. This is I1. This is I2. Okay, so I change I1 to I2 equal to 1 over 10 to 1 over 40. Okay, so I times all by 40, so I get 4 to 1. So how to find the I2? The questions asked. Yeah, so 1 over 4 plus 1 times by the I total. The I total is 3. So 3 over 5 equal to 0.6 ampere. Okay, the next is calculate the power dissipated by 6 ohm. So the power in here. I really suggest you guys, when you want to count the power, you can use V square per R, or power is I square times R. I think the safest one is use this one. But if you share with your voltage, then you can use V square per R. But remember, you have to use the voltage in this place, the V in here. You are not allowed to use the total voltage. Okay, so I think the safest one is use the I square per R. How to find it? You have to find the I in here. Yeah, 6 ohm, the I in here. Okay, I give the name I3. Yeah, I3. This one I4. Okay, yeah. So how to find the I3? We use ratio again, yeah. I3 to I4 is equal to 1 over 3 and 1 over 6 and 1 over 3. So times all by 2, right? By 6, I mean. So I get 1 over 2. So the I3 will be 1 over 1 plus 2 times the total current is 3. So become 1 ampere, right? After that, how to find the power? We use this formula. 1 square times 6. We get 6 watts. Okay. The next is calculate the energy consumed by 1 ohm resistor. Okay, 1 ohm resistor is in here. Okay, this one. Because here, I really suggest you to use the I. If you use the phi, then you use 90 ohm and 94 will be wrong. The phi in here will be different. Okay, so how? So the energy is phi I t, because in joule, right? We don't know the phi in here, right? So I use I square times R times T. The I is the I total, right? So 3 square times the R is 1, 1, right? Times T, don't forget T, you have to change into second. So 3,600. So the answer should be 9 times this, right? So 9 times by 3,600. We get 32,400 joules. Okay, any question, guys? If you have a question, just contact me. Okay, let's see the next questions. Okay, so let's see this circuit. Yeah, the current flow from where to where? Let's see carefully. Okay, this is the positive, this is the negative, right? Then the current will flow like this via 4 ohm resistor. In this junction, will be divided into 2. Okay, after that flowing like this, and they combine back in these junctions. After that, they split again. Look at my arrow carefully. Okay, they split and they join into here again. So how to find the R total? Okay, the first is you have to add these two, become 4 ohm, right? Okay, become 4 ohm. So after that, these two, 4 and 4, wow, you are so lucky. This is should be the same, right? So the combination from this all will be, yeah, 4 over 2 become 2 ohm. Okay, then the combination for this all will be 6 over 2, 3 ohm. You can use 1 per if you want. Okay, so what is the R total in here? The R total must be 4 over 2 plus 3. Then we get 9 ohm, right? Okay, after that, find the current. The current is V over R. So the V is 27 divided by the R is 9. Then you get 3 amps. Okay, and then after that, calculate the power dissipated in 1 ohm resistors in here, right? So you have to find the I. I think it's better use power, use I square times R. This is the best one. If you use the phi, you cannot use 27 because 27 is the total voltage in here. So how to find the I? So you are so lucky because it's the same, 4 and 4, right? So the current will be divided into 2. 1.5 in here. And also 1.5 in here. How about if not the same? Then you can use ratio like the previous one. Okay, so I use the power is 1.5 square times the R. 1 ohm, right? So I get 2.25 watts. Okay. Next, calculate the voltage in 3 ohm resistors. In here, right? The phi. If you have already get the I, then the phi will be very easy. Phi is I times R, right? The I in 1 ohm will be the same as the I in 3 ohm. So 1.5 square times, sorry, not square, I times R, right? Times by 3. Then you get 4.5 volt. Okay. Next, the figure below, I draw, yeah? So this is the first. So this is the first question. It passed through F and H from here to here. And you can see there this all is R, right? So R and R. So these two become 2R. This one also become 2R. 2R, right? Okay. So how to find the resistance in F per R? So 1 per R total because it's in parallel, right? So 1 over 2R plus 1 over R plus 1 over 2, sorry, R. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 per RT is equal to 4 over 2, 4 over 2R. Over 2R. Okay, so RT is 2R per 4, right? Because each resistor is 5 ohms, so 2 times 5 over 4. You get 2.5 ohm. Okay, next is finding the if passed through the F and G. So I draw again the new one. pass through this F and G. Okay, so this is still the same because you see how the current flow like this. Okay, and parallel with this one. Okay, so R and R become 2R, and parallel with this one. After that, it's joined. This is how it joined here, right? So later add with this one, so series with this one. At the end is parallel with this one. Know how to count it. So we use 2R. This one is 2R, yeah? RS is 2R. Okay, then combine with this one. So 1 over RP is 1 over 2R plus 1 over R. Yeah, 2R. So 1 plus 2. So the RP is 2R over 3. Okay, after that plus with the R in here. So our series is 2R per 3 plus R. So 5 per 3R. Okay, after that parallel with the R in here. You already count until here. 5 per 3, then parallel with R, right? So the R total, yeah, I use the simple formula, yeah. So 5 per 3 R times with the R equal to 5 per 3 plus R. So 5 per 3 R square divided by, so 3 per 3, 8 per 3 R. I can cross it. I get 5 over 3 R per 8 over 3. Yeah. So 5. The R is 5, right? 5 times 5 over 8. So the answer is 25 per 8. Then how much is 25 per 8? Yeah. You get 3.125 ohm. Okay guys, if you have a question, please ask me.